I've been here for the last week doing research here. This is pottery from the city of Sodom here. So if you look at the bins over there, we've got it from the early Bronze Age to the Middle Bronze Age, all the way to the late Bronze Age and the Iron Age here. So I've been here with several of the archaeologists here, categorizing and sorting the Iron Age pottery from the city of Sodom. So come take a look at some of the pottery here. And Julie here is working away on her material. But this, you rarely find a whole piece of pottery on an archaeological dig. What you have are pottery sherds like this. And you have to be able to identify what these are. And that's some of the skills we've been learning this whole week. But you get some nice pieces like this. This would be a chalice here. And if you come here, you'll see we've got part of an Iron Age lamp here. This is Iron Age pottery. Iron Age, of course, is after the destruction there in Genesis 19. The city was abandoned for about 700 years and then inhabited again. These are pieces of what's called a crater. Crater is like a very large bowl here. And you see these pieces, you've got to be able to identify what they are. And over here we have jugs here. Jugs, you see pieces of jugs here. And these are juglets, or small kinds of jugs, often used in traveling here. And on this table here, we've got some really interesting things here. These are soil and charcoal samples from the city of Sodom, waiting to go to the laboratory for analysis here. And these, if you take a good look at it, you'll see are bones. These are infant bones from infant burial jars. They're found at the city of Sodom. And if you look at this here, these are bricks that were bubbled. In other words, they were burned by heat, several thousand degrees, so they bubbled like lava, you know. And so it wasn't a fire that destroyed the city of Sodom. It was something much, much hotter. And the Bible says it was fire that came down from heaven. And as Dr. Collins explained on our show, it was a meteoric airburst. So the city was completely incinerated, as the Bible says. And if you look here, these are human bones as well, and even some teeth going to the laboratory to be analyzed here. So that's some of the things that I've been doing this week here in the laboratory here at Veritas International University.